In July, banks tended to reduce the buying price of USD more strongly than the selling price. The exchange rate is being affected by many factors. Compared to early July, the USD selling price in banks fluctuated slightly, while the buying price dropped sharply, leading to the buying price being 320 to 360 VND lower than the selling price instead of 220 to 250 VND before. Vietcombank bought USD at 25,214 to 25,244 VND, sold at 25,464 VND. Exim Bank, the USD buying price was 25,100 to 25,130 VND, sold at 25,450 VND. ACB bought at 25,100 to 25,130 VND, sold at 25,460 VND. According to Rong Viet Securities Joint Stock Company VDSC, unofficial information in June showed that the state bank sold about $1.9 billion equivalent to 48,300 billion VND. The scale of foreign currency sales decreased compared to May and the demand for foreign currency seemed to increase from the second half of June. Accumulated to July 3, it is estimated that the operators sold about $6.4 billion equivalent to 162,500 billion VND. Looking at monetary policy in the second half of this year, the state bank will still face pressure on exchange rates in the second half of 2024. The reason is that the strength of the USD is forecast to be maintained because the interest rate gap between the US and other countries remains high because the US Federal Reserve Fed cuts interest rates more slowly and less than other central banks. Many economists believe that if Donald Trump wins the upcoming US presidential election, inflation will rise again, thereby affecting the Fed's interest rate decision. In addition, prolonged geopolitical risks lead to the need to store USD as a safe haven. Based on this prospect, VDSC believes that the SBV may have to continue to drain foreign exchange reserves if it wants to control the exchange rate.